Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I'm going to show you guys how to get this ocean blue watercolor method. I'm going to show you guys what I use. You need some shampoo, the hair color, something to mix the color. We're going to use our Got2b glue, and we're also going to need a pair of gloves. So I'm going to take my Got2b glue and I'm going to spray it on the lace just because I don't want the color to go on the lace. So you're going to let that hair dry. And I'm using this hair from my shop. The website is www.zbedgineshop.com. The link will be down below for you guys. And I'm actually launching the blonde hair on my website a week from today, May 29, 2019. We also having a youth style, so stay tuned for that. And I'm really excited, you guys. I'm just gonna go and apply the color to the root only. I'm using the color Adore and the number 178. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time and apply the color in the root so it doesn't go on the lace. You can do the watercolor method first, but I decided to do the root first before I do the watercolor method. It doesn't really matter because at the end you guys gonna see after the first wash the way the light blue gonna be and how I'm gonna fix that. For the watercoloring part, I'm using the same technique. I make sure my water is really boiled, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix my color. I'm using this color Cyan T222, I think. I'm gonna mix that with the water, and then I'm gonna add the hair later on. I kind of tested first and then added a little bit of more color until I reach the color I want, I guess. So you kind of have to play with this and, you know, get the color you want. After that, I basically wash the hair, let it sit and hair dry, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I make it look like a frontal. So let's go ahead and move on to part 2 of this video. Alright, you guys, I know I look messy right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop my wig on and show you guys. Go ahead and put it on my head. I'm gonna do side part like always. So you guys, if I'm looking down, it's because I have my mirror here that I'm looking at. So don't mind me looking down. I'm also looking at my monitor, so like that I know when it's too light or when it's too bright. And I'm gonna try to make this as natural as possible because I don't want it to be looking like a closure. I want it to be looking like a frontal. I'm gonna go ahead and cut some baby hair. So I did go ahead and cut the lace. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and create some, you know, baby hair or whatever. I look like a kid. But to make sure that it's gonna stay flat, it's not gonna go anywhere, I adjusted the stripe over there. I'm gonna use my Botanical Fom for the baby hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and separate some little hair. Take the clips out, and if you want, you could put it behind your ears and bring the hair back, or if you want, you could just leave it that way. I'm gonna give it some curl. I'm not sure I'm gonna do that on camera because it's gonna take me forever, but I'll show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing. So if you guys like this video, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this color. I want to try every single color, you guys, so let me know what color I should do next. I already have a color for next video, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know what color you guys want me to try, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.